Welcome to my 2025 living room tour. Today, I'm showing you how I transformed this space into a luxurious retreat without breaking the bank. From furniture to finishing touches, every detail is designed for style and savings. Here's the before, a plain dated room with no personality. And now, the after, a warm, inviting space with modern elegance. The transformation costs less than half what you'd expect for a high-end makeover. I started with a statement sofa in a neutral tone, perfect for mixing and matching accents. The coffee table, a budget-friendly find that looks designer. I rearranged the layout to maximize both comfort and conversation flow. For texture and depth, I layered rugs, added throw pillows, and used metallic accents to catch the light. Wall art came from thrift stores and online deals, proving you don't need a massive budget to make a big impact. Lighting is the secret weapon. Warm LED floor lamps and a statement chandelier instantly elevated the space. Even the curtains were an affordable swap, but they framed the room beautifully. This Luxe for Less transformation proves that with creativity and smart shopping, anyone can achieve a high-end look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own living room ideas in the comments.